my Concorde and my Airbus. Now, no, they're both from a different company, but by the title that you saw, well, here it is. I'm so excited to see, but my first fire jet came in the mail. A cool guy. It's like aces, I can see. Diecast model, metal model, Eurofighter Typhoon. Now, this plane also comes with a stand. So see. So we're gonna test. Look at this. So now we take a look at my beautiful little plane. So this plane is a very, very fantastic plane. Although this would be one of the last planes that I would ever get. Well, let's just try to unbox. This fighter jet is a loss because look, you can get the plane that I've got. So here's all the planes. So you can get a Supermarine Spitfire. You can get an F-35, a RF Red Arrowhawk, and a Avro Lancaster. Now, these are very, very awesome. That's why we're reviewing very, very, very precise. So we'll open it, shall we? So let's start with alright. So here's a stand. Here's a thing that holds it. Yeah. And here is the aeroplane itself. It's all metal. It's all metal, so we won't have to worry about it breaking. It's a car guy, just like my Concorde. As you can see, look. Car guy. It's a new car guy. The only one's real toy is my A380. But hopefully, I can get another A380, another plane. This also has a cockpit. You can actually see inside. It's plane which actually does have lots of, you know what I'm saying? And here it is. Here is my Eurofighter Typhoon. Now, as you saw on this cover, you can also get an F-35 and a Spitfire. I got this Eurofighter Typhoon. So now, and that is the unboxing of my Eurofighter Typhoon. And as always, I will see you later.